Together, we wanted to explore how artists from different cultures, languages, and places could find common grounds through art. We invited 11 artists. Toro Anu and Dr. Jorman selected 6 artists from Romania, and I invited 5 artists who have previously exhibited at Sika Museum and who are based in or originally from Korea. For me, this project was also an opportunity to think about the idea of nation a little bit differently. Rather than defining it by citizenship or geography, I wanted to think of it as a shared culture and collection of experiences, histories, way of thinking, and communities. Today's interconnected world, these boundaries have become much more fluid. This is why I included artists with diverse cultural backgrounds living in Korea, as well as Korean artists working both in Korea and abroad. We also decided to focus on new media art. And to me, new media is not simply about technology. It is about an open and experimental attitude, a willingness to explore new ideas and new ways of seeing the world. Each artist brings a unique perspective. Doi Chang reflects on objectification of Asian women through digital imagery. Alex Jahan Kim explore identity through his ongoing project Mindful Sketches. Gustav Helberg addresses environmental issues through sculptural media work. Song Ah-jung combines research and imagination to create thought-provoking narratives, and Min-soo Kim investigated on the relationship between the human body and emerging technologies through experimental film. So I would like to sincerely thank Dr. Sornew and Dr. German for their trust, collaboration, thoughtful curation throughout the project. I'm also deeply grateful to all 11 artists for sharing such inspiring and meaningful work. I hope Common Grounds encourage us to think not only about contemporary art and new media, but also about how we connect across cultures. I believe art gives us space to ask fundamental questions, to learn from one another, and to recognize what we share. Thank you very much.